These types of AI cartoon videos are literally everywhere on social media right now. Every second or third creator is making cartoon videos and stories like these, growing their content, building audiences, and even monetizing their channels. And all the videos you're seeing on your screen right now were created by me using free AI tools. Just look at how amazing these videos are. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI cartoon videos completely for free. And that's not all. By the end of this video, I'll also introduce you to a bonus AI video generator where you can use popular models like Seedance, Veo 3, and Kling to create stunning AI videos for free. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, simply open Google and search for Google Vids. From the search results, open the official Google Vids website. Once you open the website, you'll land on the home page of the tool. Now, simply click on Get Started to begin, and you'll land on the official workspace of the tool, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there are tons of amazing features and options available here. You can generate images, create voiceovers, record your screen, generate videos, add captions, use templates, and much more. But since our main focus today is creating a video, let's get started. To begin, simply select the Veo option. Now, I want to clear up one thing. Many people think that this tool only allows you to generate videos from text, but that's not true. You can also turn your images into videos. To do that, simply click here and switch from Create from Scratch to the Animate and Image option. Now, simply upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, enter your motion prompt in the prompt box. From here, you can also select your preferred aspect ratio. I'm going with 16:9 landscape for this video. Once everything is ready, simply click Generate and your video will start generating. It shouldn't take too long, so let's wait for the result and see how it turns out. And here we go! Our video is ready. Now, let's check out the result. Wow, this looks absolutely stunning. The visuals, camera movement, and overall quality are amazing. And the best part is that the sound effects, music, and background audio have been added automatically. I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, to download your video, simply click here and select Download as MP4. And that's it, your video is ready. Now, let's create another one. To create our second video, simply remove the previous prompt and upload another image. Once the new image is uploaded, enter your motion prompt again. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 16:9 and then simply click Generate. And there we go, our second video is now generating. It shouldn't take too long, so let's wait for the result and see if this one turns out just as amazing as the first one. And here we go, our second video is ready. Now, let's check out the result. Wow! Again, the result is incredibly smooth and stunning. The video quality, motion, camera movement, background music, and sound effects all look amazing. I absolutely love how this turned out. Now, let's create another clip and start building our story. And here's something really cool. You can keep adding new video clips and turn them into a complete story, just like I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm adding my scenes one by one, and once I add my third clip, all of these scenes will come together to create a complete cartoon story. So, let's create our next video. Again, I'll remove the previous prompt, upload my next image, and enter the motion prompt for this scene. And here's another thing I want to show you. As you can see, I'm using the Veo 3.1 model in 720p with audio to generate this video. Now, let's hit the Generate button and create our next clip. And there we go! Our third clip has started generating, so let's wait for the result. And it's done! Our video is ready. Now, let's check out the result. Wow! Again, the motion looks incredibly smooth and realistic, and the camera movement looks amazing. And now, you can see that my complete story from the first scene to the last is ready. You can continue adding more scenes and generating more clips to turn your imagination into a complete long-form cartoon story. For this tutorial, I'll stop here because I want to show you another one of my favorite AI video generators where you can experiment with even more powerful AI video models. But if you want, you can keep adding scenes and create a much longer cartoon story of your own. And that's how you can create long AI cartoon videos for free. To download your final video, simply click here and select Download as MP4. Now, it's time to move on to our final and my personal favorite AI video generator. Simply open Google and search for OIIAI. Open the official website from the search results and click Sign Up to create your account. Once you're done, you'll land directly on the home page of the tool. As you can see, this tool comes packed with tons of amazing features. But since our main focus is creating videos, simply click on Start Creating. This will take you to your main workspace. Now, to get started, click on the plus icon and select Video. From here, upload the image you want to turn into a video. Once your image is uploaded, simply enter your motion prompt. And now, here's my favorite part, the model section. Click here, and you'll find a variety of amazing AI video models to choose from, including models like Seedance, Hilo 2 Pro, Kling, and many more. For this video, I'm going with Seedance 1.5 Pro. Next, simply choose your video duration and aspect ratio. I'll set the duration to 5 seconds and the aspect ratio to 16:9. Once everything is ready, hit generate and your video will start processing. Now, let's wait for the result and see how it turns out. After waiting for a few moments, our video is ready. Now, let's check out the result. Wow, look at this. The camera movement, visuals, and overall quality are absolutely stunning, and the sound effects are automatically added, which makes the final result even better. And there's one more thing I really love about this tool, there's no watermark on the final video. Now, to download your video, simply click here and select Download, and your video will be saved to your device. Alright, now let's create another video. Again, upload the image you want to turn into a video and enter your motion prompt. For the model, I'll once again choose Seedance 1.5 Pro, as it gives me the best results. This time, I'll increase the video duration to 7 seconds. Now, simply hit generate, and let's wait for the result. And it's ready. Let's check it out. Wow! The camera movement, motion, visuals, and overall quality look absolutely amazing. The motion control is so smooth, and I really love how this turned out. Again, simply download your video from here. And that's it. So, just like this, you can create stunning AI cartoon story videos for free. Now it's your turn, go ahead, create your own stories, and start growing your content with AI. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Nexa AI, and share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Trixie, and you're watching Nexa AI. Until next time, take care, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.